In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Canva. If you've ever received a PDF that needs a quick tweak, maybe a typo to fix, a logo to swap, or a page to update, Canva makes this surprisingly simple. I'll walk you through the exact path to get your PDF into Canva and ready to edit, and I'll share a few tips to keep your formatting looking great. First, open Canva in your web browser and head to the home screen. This is your central dashboard where all your projects, templates, and folders live. Make sure you're on the main home view so the left-hand menu is visible and you can get to your Uploads library easily. Next, look for Uploads in the left-hand panel and click it. This area is where Canva organizes all the files you've brought in: images, videos, and importantly, PDFs. Going here ensures that when you upload your PDF, you'll know exactly where to find it and manage it afterward. Inside Uploads, click Add New. This button opens the options for bringing fresh files into your library. It's a small step, but it takes you from browsing to actually preparing your PDF for import and editing. Now, click Upload Files. Select the PDF from your computer and confirm. Canva will import the file and automatically convert its pages into editable designs. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this might take a moment. Once the upload finishes, click the PDF thumbnail in your uploads to open it. You'll see page previews on the side. Choose a page to start editing. From here, everything works like a regular Canva design. Click on text to edit the wording, change fonts, adjust sizes, and update colors. If a font from the original PDF isn't available, Canva will substitute one, so give things a quick scan and pick a close match if needed. Move or delete elements by selecting them and using your keyboard or the toolbar. For images, you can replace a picture by dragging a new one from your uploads right onto the existing image frame. Use alignment guides and the position tools to keep everything neat and consistent across pages. If your PDF was a scanned document, some text may import as an image. In that case, add a new text box on top and type your changes. You can also duplicate pages, reorder them, or remove any you don't need. Your work saves automatically as you go, and when you're happy, you can share the design or download it again as a PDF to send out or print. That's it. Your PDF, now fully editable in Canva, without needing any complex software.